Don't be scared of paint pouring, you can do it without too much mess. Starting off with a paint pouring kit, I'm using a disposable plastic cup and I'm layering up various different colours of the paint. It's all pre-mixed, so once you have it ready to go, tip it inside of these fillable baubles and then spin it round till it's completely covered, and then you can set them down to dry, and because the paint's on the inside, it's not too messy or sticky. I'm going to go ahead and make a couple of these, just again the same process of layering up the colours and then pouring it inside of those baubles. You'll notice that I'm working on top of some plastic wrap. This is just to protect my work surface and keep any mess contained. I'm leaving the baubles to dry upside down, and then I'll be able to pick them up and peel them away from any of that spilled paint. Once they're completely dry, just click the two sides together and you can add some details using a paint marker. And there you have it, your paint pouring Christmas decorations.